episode of our podcast, The Sanskriti Box. Today, we are truly honored to have our respected principal, Ma'am Mrs. Divya Sumriya with us. Ma'am, welcome to our very first episode. How are you feeling today?
I feel blessed and humbled, and I'm very happy to be here today. Thank you for having me on the first episode of the Sanskriti Walks podcast series. It feels great.
What inspired you to become an educator?
Well, there have been a lot of inspirations in my life, and yes, it has been a journey, and I relish every part of it.
How has your journey in the field of education been so far?
It has been very wholesome, it has been enriching, it has been many times very emotional for me also. And yes, sometimes challenging as well.
What does being a principal mean to you personally?
A lot of responsibility because you have to associate with everything, whether it be pain, whether it be challenge, whether it be a joyful moment. But it feels great.
And what is your vision for our school?
For me, Jammu Sanskriti School Kathua means it is very close to my heart, and I believe that every student that enters this school should be, at the end of the day, a child who has been valued and who feels possessed. And yes, I would definitely want my school to be the best school.
Yes. According to you, what is the real meaning of success?
Well, I feel success is adapting every situation and giving your 100%.
What kind of environment do you aim to create in school?
You being a part of this school, I feel will be able to answer this question better. But yes, obviously, a comfortable environment where everybody feels valued and everybody is putting their 100%. And yes, we are able to achieve our goals.
How do you motivate your staff and students?
To be honest, kabhi daant, kabhi pyar. But yes, appreciation and motivation are two things that work miraculously.
And now, as technology is evolving day by day, how is technology changing classrooms today?
Well, technology has a lot of role to play when it comes to classroom teaching or, for that matter, education. And it is an integral part in today's times. But yes, it has to be used wisely and it can never replace the human touch.
And what are your thoughts on social media and students?
Everything has a boom and everything has a curse. But when used wisely, I think social media is a boon. But when not used wisely, then obviously it becomes a curse. So that balance is, I think, most required.
Who has inspired you the most in your life?
Like I told you, it has been a journey, be it my parents or my family members, my husband. They have played an important role in making me what I am today, shaping me what I am today. And I'm thankful to everybody who has contributed in my success, in my journey as an educator.
Now, some fun questions. What was your favorite subject during your school days?
I guess it was always English.
Were you a strict student or a naughty one?
I was a combination of both, to be very honest. Yes, I enjoyed being with friends and playing pranks, but at the same time, when it came to my studies, I tried giving my 100%.
Do you prefer tea or coffee during these school days?
I guess I am a tea person. I like having a cup of tea because it stimulates me.
If not a principal, what profession would you have chosen?
I guess I would have definitely been somewhere or the other connected to the field of education. I like taking workshops and things like that. So maybe I would have been a resource person, mentoring people. That's it.
Ma'am, how do you feel about our school starting this podcast series?
To be honest, this is like a dream come true, and I wanted this to happen because somewhere or the other, when today I sit down to share my thought process, I would be wanting and would be urging my students to be organizing and holding these podcast series with almost everybody, because understanding the mindset and understanding the thought process of people, you'll be able to be more rationalized, and I'm sure it would give you an exposure to different personalities, human behavior. So it's a wonderful initiative.
A special message for students listening to this episode for the first time.
Be yourself, believe in yourself, and always give your 100%. Don't compromise.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And I wish you all the very best and keep shining, keep soaring high, Sanskrithians. God bless.